In a momentous occasion for Tura, the Pa Togan Nengminja Sangma Athletics Stadium has been unveiled, emerging as a focal point for sporting prowess. Honoring the legacy of freedom fighter Pa Togan Sangma, this cutting-edge facility, constructed at a cost of over rupees 16 crores, serves as an inspiration for the youth to pursue their dreams with unwavering determination. Prominent figures present at the event included Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Thomas A. Sangma, and Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Shaklyar Wajri, among others. The stadium, boasting an 8-lane synthetic athletic track, meeting international standards, and an administrative block, is dedicated to nurturing athletic excellence. The completion of this infrastructure positions Tura proudly for hosting the 5th Meghalaya Games 2024, showcasing its preparedness for national sporting events. Additionally, the stadium successfully hosted the Northeast Olympics, featuring over 4,000 athletes from 8 states. Opening its gates today, the Pa Togan Nengminja Athletics Stadium signifies more than just a sports venue. It stands as a symbol of unity, dedication, and community spirit, embodying the collective aspirations of Tura'S people and the government's commitment to fostering athleticism and sportsmanship.
One, two, three.
The race is underway. Let's see who wins the race.
We are very pleased to inform all the citizens of especially Tura town, the Garo Hills region and the state as a whole, that the athletic track and field stadium was inaugurated today here in Tura, and this is state-of-the-art stadium with facilities and the qualities that are at national and international level, and this has been completed in a record time. We wanted to complete this before the 5th Meghalaya Games, and we are happy that we were able to do it, and I must congratulate the Honorable Minister as well as the entire sports department for having completed this stadium on time, and so that we can now use it for the 5th Meghalaya Games, which will start from the 15th of this month. This is one of the stadiums, apart from many more, which we are constructing throughout the state. In the next few months, we will see number of stadiums being inaugurated in Jaintia Hills and in Khasi Hills regions also. And at the same time, within the next 2 years, we will see the state-of-the-art indoor stadiums in Shillong and Tura also being completed very soon.